Well, my name is Imran. I am the chief pits for Dubai and Abu Dhabi, Yas Marina Circuit. And this is my 20th year. This thing will happen in my 20 years is an achievement. Believe me guys, first time in the history of my motorsports, he brought me tears in my eyes. Seeing my flag on this track, which I used to die for it. He did that. My dream, he did that. Guys, to be honest, such a lovable person. I used to hear him about it. Last 3 days I've spent everything. I was like a bird eye to him. Every drive I used to watch him. Okay, I used to see him in fact. But today what he has done, it's all our Indian dream come true. Please, never ever leave such an honest person. Never ever. A nice human being, a nice gentleman, a nice family man, such a lovely family, such a friend. You guys rock, guys. We did it! We did it! Thank you.
In your presence, I wish to say something.
Yeah.
Friends, family, colleagues, all this could not have happened without the support of Bascotland Racing.
Hey!
Yes.
Shiva, Swaminathan, Suresh Chandra, my family, Shalini, and all my team over here.
Guys! Fabio!
Cameron, Fabian, can I have you guys here, please? Is there anybody else I missed out? Everybody, our whole team. This could not have happened without these heroes. Yeah? The reason I say this,
Good brother?
normally in the racing world, it's as bad as the film industry, you know. People don't want to help, you know, sometimes they're envious about your growth. Similarly, in the racing world, most of the drivers don't like to share their data, they don't like to share their engineers, but they were so transparent, teaching me everything that I need to know to make sure that I got this far. So I owe it to them.
Yeah!
Without them, and I hope Team Ajith Kumar Racing will be here for many years to come. And of course, Bascotland, they're not here right now. I think they're busy packing. I want everyone to know that Bascotland Racing have been sweethearts, you know. I will thank them in person, and all of you for coming, showering your love, encouragement, support. I'm overwhelmed. And Shalu, thank you for letting me race.
Guys, let me announce you the new brand in the racing in India, the Ajith Kumar Racing. Here we go! Thank you, sir.